Chinky saw their future. School was over, and Gattu and Chinky were racing while returning home.
You'll see, Tinky. I will win this race today. No! I will win!
Gattu Chinky are racing on the road when suddenly a bhaiya appears in front of them and stops them both with his hand. Hey, hey! Where are you both running? You shouldn't run on a road like that. Can't you see how many cars are passing by?
Sorry, Bhaiya. Yes, sorry, Bhaiya. We won't race on the road anymore.
Very good. After saying that, Bhaiya walks over to his group of friends. There was a small cafe just next to the road. All his friends were sitting and chatting over there. Seeing the cafe, Gattu says,
Hey, Chinky, this cafe's patties are really tasty, aren't they? Yes, you are right, Gattu. Come on, let's eat. Bhaiya, give us 2 potato patties.
Here, kids! Gattu Chinky start eating patties there. At the same time, they were looking at the group of elder bhaiyas. They all seemed to be college students and were chatting amongst themselves.
Friends, we have got admission in college. And now we will have to go to another city next month. I am really feeling very nervous.
Hey Sakshi, why to be nervous? Now we will live in a hostel away from our parents. And we will party a lot there. We will chill.
Oh, please, Harsh. I know you're just saying this to look cool. I'm sure you will miss your mom the most.
No, Muskan. It's not like that. And anyway, we are done with school now. And we are going to be college students. We'll have to learn to live alone. And also when we get a job, we'll have to stay alone. Then we'll have more responsibilities too. Gattu Chinky were listening to them all very attentively.
Gattu, in a few years, our school will also be done. And then we will also have to go to college in another city. Right? Yes, Chinky, and maybe we'll both get colleges in different places. Then we'll all live separately. Mom and Dad will miss us so much. Yes, Gattu, you're right.
Shortly after, all those college friends leave. And Gattu and Chinky come home thinking the same thing.
Hey kids, you're back from school. I have made your favorite lunch.
But both the kids were lost in their own thoughts. They ate their lunch quietly, lost in their own thoughts.
Mom, Dad and Gattu, don't miss me too much. I am going to visit you during the college holidays. Chinky, take care of yourself. If someone offers you something to eat on the train, don't
Yes,
eat.
dear. And don't forget to call your father. Don't forget me.
And Chinky, don't forget your brother also. Yes, I won't forget anyone. Okay, now I'm leaving.
Chinky boards the train. But she starts to feel scared because she's sitting alone on the train for the first time.
No. How can I go to another city alone by train? No. I won't go alone.
Mummy comes over after seeing Chinky shouting.
Hey, what happened, Chinky? Where are you going? What? I am at home only. Thank God. Hey, what happened? Nothing at all, Mummy. Oh, okay, fine. I was really scared.
On the other hand, Gattu was lost in his thoughts while watching TV.
Oh, now I don't have time for breakfast. I'll go like this only.
Grown-up Gattu picks up his office bag and quickly locks the house.
Oh, I'm really late for office today. I couldn't even eat breakfast. If Mom were here, she wouldn't let me leave the house without breakfast. Now to reach office on time, I'll have to run to the bus stop.
Gattu reaches the bus stop running. But he misses his bus.
Now wait another 20 minutes for the next bus.
Somehow, Gattu takes the bus and reaches the office. There were a lot of people there. But the boss comes out of his cabin and seeing Gattu, he says, Gattu, late again? You will have to do overtime again today. Here are a lot of files. Take those. and make spreadsheet.
No.
Papa was sitting next to him and he was watching TV with Gattu. He was shocked to see Gattu suddenly scream. Hey, what happened, Gattu? No one has even hit a 6 in the match yet. Why are you screaming?
What? Cricket?
Yes, we were watching the match. What happened to you? Mummy and Chinky come over there.
What was that? Who screamed?
Gattu.
What? Gattu too?
What do you mean, Gattu too?
I mean, Chinky was lost in her thoughts in the day and suddenly started screaming. Gattu and Chinky, will you both tell me what happened? Why are you both so lost since you've come back from school?
Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky look at each other and then finally speak up.
Mummy, actually, today when we were coming back from school,
Gattu tells Mummy everything.
and since then we have been thinking about our future, that we'll all have to go to another city to study, and then we'll all have to work too, and bosses are so scary.
Gattu and Chinky were very serious about their problems and future. But hearing them, Mom and Dad started laughing.
So that's the matter.
Wow, Gattu Chinky, you both are amazing.
Huh? Mom and Dad, we are so worried and you are laughing at us. Yes, you both don't understand our problem.
Hey kids, you two are getting unnecessarily stressed out. There's still a lot of time left for all of this. And Gattu, when you go to the office, your boss would not be this scary. My boss is really nice. We are like really good friends. It's not necessary that we always meet bad people. And sometimes it feels really great working together at the office.
Okay, is that so, Papa?
Yes. We all go to the office dinners together. We work together. We help each other. It's not that bad.
And Chinky, we have new friends in college and new experiences too. There are so many fests. And when you grow up, you won't be afraid to travel alone on the train. Understood?
Gattu Chinky's fears vanished completely after listening to Mom and Dad.
Looks like while we were worried about our future, it isn't as scary as we thought. You are right, Gattu. Now I am really excited for my future. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.